The world of finance has seen an existential threat recently with the advent of new fintech companies. Persistent and Mambu has worked together and helped several companies navigate these technology choices. What is Mambu's point of view for traditional banks adapting to this digital age?
You're right, we've worked on a number of projects together, from new entrants to legacy providers that are changing their tech stack. And I think all of them have had the same theme. They move with purpose. It's not necessarily about the speed, it's about moving with purpose. If you're going to make a decision, get the business behind it and have everyone singing from the same hymn sheet that they're going to make this decision, they're going to move to a new tech stack, working in new ways, new processes, and having the people on board. That's the purpose behind it. Working at speed, do you get everyone along the journey? You need to bring the two together. I think that's what Mambu and Persistent have done well. The customers we've worked with, they've had the purpose. They know what they want to do. They want to move to that composable banking stack that gives them the platform to react quickly to market trends, changes, customer requirements, and be able to scale up and launch into new markets as they need to.
One thing that I have seen very clearly is that because of the composability of the architecture, we can bring in best of the breed products to the customers. However, on the flip side, the banks end up having 5, 10 or 15 different components in their architecture. Do you think that the banks would see that as a delivery risk?
Potentially, I think some of them would, but I think that's about how they manage it. They work with the SI partners such as yourselves at Persistent, as well as with us at Mambu. We've been through this before. We're here to help and advise as we can. So yeah, there is a risk, but there's also a risk to stay with a legacy provider where you may want a new originations platform or a new credit decisioning tool and you can't. You're at the mercy of paying them to hard code in a new solution, which will have charges, testing down the line. It might take 6 months to a year, by which time the market's moved on or that opportunity could have passed. So yes, there's a risk to bringing in multiple providers, but with risk comes opportunity, and the opportunity far outweighs the risk to be able to work with the latest technology, new solutions, and gain access to new customer segments that maybe they can't work with today. Also reducing costs, working with best for purpose partners in their markets may reduce costs, removing change requests, big bang upgrades, that kind of thing.